Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Redneck Light. Today we're going to be testing out this 3-in-1 leaf vacuum slash mulcher slash blower slash whatever. I primarily got this because I need to vacuum leaves up. I have a porch area over here, and during the fall when all the leaves fall, it gets just knee high full of leaves, especially those couple of weeks where everything falls at once. And I got to be out here every day for 30-45 minutes with a leaf blower trying to get them out into the yard. So I was hoping by getting this I can get into these little crevices more and do a little maintenance. So one thing I was kind of surprised by is just how small the thing is. When the box arrived, I thought it would be a whole lot bigger, but the good thing is it's kind of lightweight. So you've got the blower itself, and there you can see, well, hopefully you can see the little impeller blades there. They look to be, so I guess that's what chops up the leaves. The big giant switch over here that changes it from vacuum to blow. We've got the little thing that goes on the end. The vacuum bag, which again does not look very big. I'm hoping this is not one of those I got to keep emptying it out. The instructions are kind of interesting. There's a little section that tells you how to use it, but most of it's just big dummy pictures, which, I mean, it doesn't seem that hard. You basically put the tube on, you attach the bag, make sure that it's in vacuum mode, and go to town. And we got the supply cord on the end here. I'll see if we can do this one-handed. Yeah, it just clicks right on. And then vacuum bag also clicks on. And it's got like a zip-up end over here. So yeah, the bag strap is on my shoulder. It's a little heavy, but not crazy. And my height, I'm about 5'11", and that's about the perfect height for the tube near the ground. All right, so up top it's got the little switch there. It's 2 speeds, 1 and 2. I've got some leaves over here. Let's see what happens. Put it on number 2. Okay, so we got some things done. Now, stuff that it can't chew up will just kind of bounce around. I sucked up a twig there. We got some nice fine leaf particles. So I'd say it works reasonably well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's quite some time later. I have used the leaf vac a few times to clean up the leaves that have fell. Haven't been able to really capture any footage of that, but I mean, it works as expected. It'll suck up the leaves. Once the bag's full, it won't suck as well anymore. Anything like acorns, rocks, twigs will just kind of bounce around inside the tube until you turn off the suction, and then it'll all just fall out on the ground. So I can recommend it. Have had no problems. Support me by using my affiliate links. You can find a link to this in video description. Hope you enjoy. See you next time.